Hi dear friends.
Hi.
It's my privilege and a great moment in my life that today we are meeting in this early in the morning. But what I wish to convey you about yourself. Who are you? What you can do in life? How long the journey of life will continue? As you know, the heights of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. So very motive of my giving talk to you today morning is to make you so great that once you leave this earth, your name will reverberate on this planet earth, on the surface of the earth for a long, long time. You might have heard a lot of people who have done so much for the humanity. So to become a great and to leave your footprints on the sands of time, you have to serve the mankind. You have to serve the mankind. You have to give mankind some valuable things in life. Otherwise, they will not love you, they will not remember you. Just being born and dying one day is not enough. So you have to contribute significantly to the mankind by servicing all the great scientists, inventors, poets, wise men, authors, prophets. They have given immense thing to the mankind. And that's why they are so much remembered, and we have put them in the history book permanently. We owe to that generation who have given so much to us. Now I want to create another generation, the coming up children like you, with great service to the mankind. But how to serve? That is the basic motive. That is the basic question, how to serve. To serve, you have to be serviceable. Means you have to do immense achievement in your life. And how you can do achievement in your life? You have to use your mind, the power of mind. That is the basic difference between beasts and the human being. We are blessed at the time of our birth in the form of one of the greatest gifts of the God, that is your brain power, the intelligence. You know, that brain is so powerful. I just recite a poem for you. James Allen has said in his book, As the Man Thinketh, mind is the master power that molds and makes. Mind is the master power that molds and makes. Man is mind, and evermore he takes the tools of thoughts, and shaping what he wills, bring forth 1,000 joys, 1,000 ills. Man thinks in secret, but it comes to pass. Environment is but his looking glass. So if you want to be great, you have to start thinking great. You have to harbor some good idea, some good purpose, some good project in your life, so that you will be one day very, very great. That is the basic thing that you can really achieve greatness in your life. Okay, so greatness is by setting a definite goal in your life. By setting a definite goal in your life. Okay, by setting a definite goal in your life, that goal has to be so important that you are always motivated, always dedicated, and always committed to achieve certain great things in life. Fine? And what you have to use? The power of your brain. One of the great men of this world, Andrew Carnegie, he also suggested that if any man has the ability to acquire this confidence, to get full possession of his mind and focus it and direct it towards whatever he wants in life, he can become really great. So now I have clarified that all of you are blessed with the power of your brain. Whatever your brain can conceive and believe, the brain can achieve. Is it clear to you? Tell all of you, whatever, tell all of you, whatever your brain can conceive and believe, the brain can achieve. So you have to give a big task to your brain. Suppose you want to be a scientist, a poet, an author, or a philosopher, so you have to set a goal for you in life. A goal for you in life. A burning desire. A very strong desire for you to become something. And then you have to start with a lot of belief and faith in yourself. What is that? A lot of belief and faith in yourself. That I have the power of brain, and if I control it and direct it towards any great thing in life, we can achieve it. So you have to formulate, stamp indelibly and hold tenaciously a definite picture what you want to become in life. A picture in your life, what you want to become in life. You know that, child? A definite picture you have to put in your mind. Whatever you want to be in life, that you have to really set a clear picture in your mind. And once you picturize something in your mind, then mind has the power to actually actualize it. Okay? Because whatever you think, that will happen. You become what you think about. Tell this word, we become
We become
what we think about.
what we think about.
But we should think only one thing at a time.
But we should think only one thing at
We
a
cannot
time.
think lot more things
We cannot
because
think.
they will interfere and destroy itself. So one point at a time, one objective goal at a time. Dear children, today you are students. The main thing in your life is to shape your career. So you have to always think what you want to become, on that focus. Suppose you want to be a doctor, you want to be an engineer, you want to be an aeronautical engineer, you want to be a pilot, so all focus is there. You have to specialize yourself in that particular knowledge. And when you specialize your knowledge, then you will definitely be excelling in your profession or business or calling. But always in your mind is that I have to serve the mankind. I have to serve the mankind with tremendous abilities and capabilities. And that you have to develop because you have got the power of your brain with you. You can do it if you believe you can do it. Belief and faith is very, very important. And then next point is also, once you have started something, you have to work non-stop, without quitting, without being frustrated, because challenging goals will have a lot of difficulties in life, hurdles in life. Failures will come. But these failures cannot be permanent. They are just very temporary. Okay? So you have to have a courage because you are very certain that one day you are going to be successful in life. You will never fail. You will never fail. But treat every failure as temporary. My son, what you feel? Temporary. The failures are temporary. They are not permanent. Because they are testing your patience. They are testing your caliber, your capability, your ability, your willpower, your power of persistence. How much you have courage to fight the odds in your life and facing challenges of your life. How much capable you are to tread down all difficulties and dangers in your life. Okay? So the higher the goal, bigger your challenges, more the suffering. Because you remember one thing, and repeat that. There is no such reality, tell everyone,
There is no such reality
as something for nothing.
as something for nothing.
You have to pay the proper price.
You have to pay the proper
Without
price.
paying price, you can never get anything else in life. Then that is daydreaming. You have to dream realistic. Dream lofty dreams, and as you dream, so shall you become one day. Remember it. Remember it very strongly. You are blessed with the power of your brain to achieve anything and everything on this planet Earth what you desire in your life. But the desire has to be very intense, a passionate desire, an obsessed desire. Because you are understanding, this is the motive of my life. This is the goal of my life. I will get it. I will